Hey guys, welcome back to American Made RC today. In the previous video, our Traxxas Rock Crawl Part 1, or Traxxas Slash, or Ford Raptor Part 1, there was this car, or our Traxxas Slash here, this bad boy. So, before I put the gears in wrong, and I knew that, and so today we're going to be putting the gears in right. Down in the description box, if you go looking down in the description box of this video, there will be a link on how to do this. We did a video a little while back on how we how to change your gears in case this ever happens to you. It shouldn't happen the way like how we put our gears in there, but if you ramp your vehicle off of higher areas, it'll shake your motor loose. I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a bit. And then it'll spin your gears out. So if you go back to the previous video, there'll be a link to that one too in the description box. So you're gonna have to look at that. But first off, here's a basic tool kit, Traxxas, that I have. Me and Blake both have one. His is a different brand though, I think. So it comes with your screwdriver. It goes left and right, or it'll lock in place, so you can use it as a regular one, I guess. Has some tools. It has this little wrench here, and basically those which we'll be able to take your wheel off with. We're going to be using the 7mm. All Traxxas vehicles, I think, actually have the 7, unless it's the Traxxas. Then I think it's the 5.5 there. So we're going to be using the 7 today, so let me take that out. Alright, so I got my 7, and then we also got to get the screwdriver out right here, or whatever you want to call this piece. So we got those right there. I'm going to turn the car on and show you what I'm talking about, how it sounds, and it won't move at all. So you're going to know when you strip your gears out. Gears are actually pretty cheap. I think they're like $3 or $4. They're pretty cheap. So I'm going to take this body off and then show you what I'm talking about, guys. Alright, we got the body off there, guys. So now, this is a stock battery. The other day we were having troubles with that little 2-cell. And if you do end up getting that 2-cell, do not put it in this vehicle. Do not. It like shorts out or something, and I'm just not gonna recommend it. So you obviously can. I can't stop you, but not recommended. That 2-cell, it was 2,200 milliamp. So basically, we got our battery. This should be pretty fully charged. Well, not fully, but from yesterday, it's not like completely dead because we didn't run it very long. Plug it in here. Set you guys down. 1 second. Sorry. Alright, so let me oops, sorry about my finger there. But so we got it plugged in, so now we push this, turn it on. Alright, so it's on. So this is a NIM stock battery. It'll already be set up when you buy this vehicle. NIM is red, if you can kind of tell it's red. Kind of shows up weird on camera. You can kind of see it on this part. But when you buy a Slash, you can buy them pre-brushless or like already brushless, and it'll be set up this way. But if you buy a Ford Raptor like I did, this is the Ford Raptor version, which is practically the same thing. It will come brushed. So basically, if it's red, which you can probably read in the owner's manual, I guess. You can't really tell the light. It looks really different on camera. But red means NIM. This is a NIM battery. Green means LiPo. I always remember is green means good, because LiPo's better. And red's bad. Sort of like a stop sign, I guess. Or like a stop sign. So, okay. You can tell my gears are bad just by doing that. So now if I use my remote here, so it's not gonna go. It should be going. So that's why it's bad. So now over here we got our gearbox case. So I'm gonna be taking that off. First we need to take the wheel off, so let me get you guys set up here. Okay, so we got our gear. Alright, there we go. Traxxas. This is a 48th spur. So again, down in the description box, look down in the description box of this video. There'll be a link to how to do this. So I got my screwdriver, whatever. I'm gonna put it in, take off the tire, and you guys will see that's like in real time. And then afterwards, I'm gonna put it in time lapse. I've never done this, so hopefully it works out pretty well. And then I'll time lapse it, and then basically put it all back together and show you guys maybe a little bit how it works. Maybe take it outside. I don't know. So let's get right to it. So first, you gotta open this. Doing like an unboxing of the Traxxas gear here, I guess, or unpackaging. So okay. So this is a little hard to open. Be safe if you get scissors out or this. I just kind of break it open with my tools here. It's metal, it shouldn't really break. So there we go. We got it opened here. So this is trash. Throw that over there. So we got our gear. That focus maybe. I don't know if you can tell. See 48 right there. Maybe if it focuses. I don't know if it's focusing. Can't really see it very well. Kind of looking at it sideways. So anyways, that's that. So yeah, pop this in here. Also, I might add a link to where to buy a toolkit like this. Gotta make it so it goes left. See? So it hard turn, or like I'm trying to hold it, and then it'll easily go back if you kind of, yeah. So now when you're doing this, you want to be careful not to lose parts. So I'm gonna take the tire off, and then I'll speed this up because this is just showing that I did this, I guess, or whatever. This isn't a video on how to do it. I'm gonna plop that under there. That kind of works pretty well. So I got my gear, and now I'm gonna change my tool out, and let's do this real quick. So I stopped the time lapse there. So we pretty much got it done. Right now, I need get that gear off. And now, normally you use like a flathead screwdriver, or right now I'm gonna use 1 second. Gotta get it out. My wrench, I guess. Well, that's how you do it. I've never got this out. I've never needed to use this. Sorry about my hand there. So just kind of stick it behind there, and then pry back a little bit. If you guys can see that, what I'm doing. Turn a little bit. Pry. Oh, and it popped off right there. So this is our broken one. Maybe you can see a few chips there. That is not supposed to happen. There's some other ones. There's one right there. And so and that's that. Now our new one here. Throw it on there and start our time lapse back up. Here we go. Okay, I stopped the time lapse again. Time lapsing, it's sort of weird, but not really. I don't know. I'm not used to it. So hopefully in future videos we'll get used to it. So there's a tire. I just kind of set it up there at the end of the time lapse. I'll kind of trim that out. This is there for like 5 minutes. Just trying to figure this out. This is not going on like right. I'm just gonna skip forward to where I have those 3 bolts in, and I mean that's it. And then I'll be putting the spur gear back on. I think that's right. And then tighten this all the way, and then is like 3/4 of a turn back or whatever, and then basically unloosen these, make sure they're aligned right, both of these gears, and tighten it all back up. And because there's those 2 motor, and then that's what I was talking about earlier, that the motor moves. So I'm just gonna skip forward to where I have those 3 bolts in, and yeah. So another time lapse in like 1 second. Okay, I'm going to be ending this video. I'm going to get the cover case back on. I just feel like it's too long. I don't know. I'm going to be firing this up, and I'll show you that. But I pretty much got them aligned okay. I'm going to gotta get it perfect, you know. Yeah, and I actually ended up on my, you guys just saw it a little bit ago, if you paid attention. I broke the tip off of, not this one. I set it up here. 1 second, let me grab that. I broke the tip off of my... where's the camera? There we go. Off of here, and, well, it's not good. This side's just, yeah, but I broke the tip off of my screwdriver thing, and so, that's why we don't over-tighten things, because I broke it on that pinion gear. So, anyways, guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. We'll be uploading again as soon as possible, and there's our Traxxas Slash. You guys have a good day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, in the description, go check out how to actually do this, because today I kind of just was iffy, and you know, and so you have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Looky here. A little bit of ballooning in this.